Morning guys, in today's project we're going to be changing the coolant. The manual says that you have to change it every 3 years. The first thing we're going to do is remove this cover over here, and then for the DCT version we're going to be removing this engine cover right here. I will be using the Honda coolant, so let's get started. For the DCT version we have to remove this cover. It's got 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the drain bolt for the coolant. It's 8 millimeters. Keep in mind that there's a washer and you need to replace the washer. The reason why you don't see coolant coming out of here is because the radiator cap is still closed. So once we open it and let the air come in, that's when the fluid is going to come out. Let's have a contest. Does yours shoot as far as mine? This is the new washer you guys need to get. Torque it to 10 foot-pounds. Right there. The manual states that we have to remove this reserve tank, take it out, drain it, clean it, and reinstall it. It's too much work. That's not how I'm going to do it. My recommendation is to get something like this, but with a really thin gauge tube so that it can go in this way all the way down. Use a syringe of some sort, drain it, and then you are good to go. Fill it to the neck with new coolant. Do you see where the fluid level is? Up to the neck. Now we have to start the bike. To remove the air from the radiator, you need to idle the bike for about 3 minutes. Then you need to snap the throttle about 4 times, then turn the bike off, and then fill it up one more time. Now that we've taken the air out, we need to fill it to the neck. I hope you guys found this helpful. Have an amazing day.